discussion today in this no confidence motion is very, very important, is of national security. When our country got independence in 1947, Mr. Speaker, sir, India did not share a border with China. China का साथ हमारा कोई boundary नहीं था. It is on record. China 1950 में सियांकन को दखल किया. भारत की संसद में बहुत बार आवाज उठा, लेकिन तब का भारत की प्रधानमंत्री ने पार्लियामेंट में आके कोई स्टेटमेंट नहीं दिया. 1951 में चाइना ने तिब्बत को एक्वायर किया, हमारा संसद में आवाज उठा, कोई आवाज नहीं दिया. 1954 में आई वुड लाइक टू ड्रॉ योर अटेंशन to the Sino-Indian Act, which is also called the Panchsheel Act. In that Panchsheel Act, what was written, I would like to bring to your notice today. The Sino-Indian Act or the Panchsheel Act said that we will mutually do no aggression. We will mutually respect the territory of each other. We will mutually have all equality and peaceful coexistence. लेकिन चाइना ने हिंदी चीनी भाई भाई का स्लोगन को पीछे से छोरा भोका. और 1959 में जब दलाई लामा जी तिब्बत छोड़ के आ गया, और we know what happened following that. On 28th of August, I would like to reiterate, on 28th of August 1959, the then Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru ji, came to the Parliament to accept the fact that India had lost Akshay Chin. Mr. Speaker, sir, we know what happened then in 1962. We lost, and why we lost? Because of the nexus of and the unplanned diplomatic planning of Nehruji, Menonji and Bijikol, and we lost a lot of territories. Today,